Hi guys, it's Miss Lauren, and I'm here with our hands-on craft for today, which is Wednesday, the 22nd. And so we are talking about farms this week. And remember, yesterday we made a barn from some kind of box that you found in your house. And so today we are making some little creatures to go in your barn. This one is a little chickie. And so these should be at least able to fit into your barn. And I'm going to put the barn right over here. But the way that we make this little chickie, or you can make, there's all kinds of other animals you can make. If you make a white one like this, it'd be a duck. You can make a cow. I'm going to make a cow next. You could use some pink paper or color it pink and make a pig. There's all kinds of things you could make, but it's just a cute little way to do it, and I'm going to show you how. All right, so you need either a toilet paper roll, or this was a paper towel roll. So you need one of these, and then you're going to have some scissors to cut it and something to mark on it. I did use crayons to color this one because all I had was white paper, and also to draw the little beak on it. So you'll also need either some glue or tape and some paper. And I just measured, I cut this, which you've got to have an adult's help for this. These are hard to cut, so you're going to have somebody to help you cut this part out. And then I measured it on a piece of paper, how tall it was and how long around it was, and so cut it out. And so that's what I'm going to start with. It's my piece of paper and my little piece of cardboard tube. So what you do first, if you're making a pig, you want to color it pink or use pink paper. If you're making a little chickie, you're going to color your paper yellow. And I am going to make a cow with this paper right here. I'll lean this over so you can see. I'm going to make a cow here. So I'm taking my little cardboard tube, I'm taking some tape and my paper, and I'm going to tape it around the little cardboard tube there. Alrighty. There we go. So if you wanted it to be a pig or a chick or something, then you could definitely color it, hopefully before you put it on. But you will want to use color paper or color that. Now I'm going to do a cow, so I will show you what I'm going to do with this. Cows have kind of a round snout, so I'm drawing that, and then I'm going to draw eyes on top of it. So some cows are girls, so some happy little eyes there. Okay. Not my best eyes I've ever made. So next I'm gonna give her a little snout and a little smile. There we go. I hope that kind of looks like a cow. And then I'm gonna draw some spots on her because cows have spots. So I'm going to put black spots around her in different places. There we go. So you can just draw spots wherever you want. Doesn't really matter. You're in charge. You can be creative and do it however you like. There you go. Poor little gal. You got your face kind of lopsided. That's what happens when you're trying to draw something without looking right at it. Alright, so there we go. And I may have messed up her face completely. Okay, so she needs some little ears. And I'm going to take the paper and cut some little ears for her. I think she just needs some kind of like little oval ears. Maybe with like, there we go. So here's one. Just gonna stick them on here. And here's another one. Not gonna be perfect. But that's the fun thing about art. Art does not have to be perfect. Because art is really whatever you like. Alright, so there you have a little cow. And I've got my little chickie. Beep, beep. So those are pretty simple. And you can make a whole bunch of different farm animals. And then take your barn that you made and they can go play in the barn. There you go. Beep, beep. Alright, and there you have your farm animals and your barn. Alright, have fun. Post your pictures below of the animals you make. I'd love to see it. Alright, see you later. Bye.